Hello everyone, I am Namita Suresh Mari and my topic name is transportation problems. So let's start with that presentation topic. First, the definition of operation research. Operation research is the application scientific methods, techniques and tools to problem involving the operation of system so as to provide those in a control of the system with optimum solution of the problem. Characteristic of operation research, system orientation of operation research, the use of interdisciplinary terms, application of scientific method, uncovering of problem, improvement of quality of decision, quantitative solution, human factor. System orientation of operation research, production department, uninterpreted production runs minimize setup and cleanup cost. Marketing departments to meet special demand in short notice. Finance department minimize inventory should rise and fall with rise and fall in a company sales. Personnel department maintaining constant production level during slack period. The use of interdisciplinary terms. Psychologist, fan, better worker or best product. Mechanical engineer will try to improve the machine. Software engineer update software to solve problem. That is no single person can collect all the useful scientific information from all discipline. Application of scientific method. Most scientific research such as chemistry and physics can be carried out in a lab under controlled condition without much interference from the outside world, but this is not true in the case of operation research study. Uncovering of the problem. In order to drive full benefits, continuity research must be maintained. Of course, the result of operation research study pertaining a particular problem need not to wait until all the connected problems are solved. Improvement of quality of decisions. Operation research can be improve the quality of a solution but it not be able to give the perfect solution. Quantitative solution. For example, it will give answer like the cost of the company if decision according text as X and decision B is taken as Y. Transportation problems by list cost entry method. Step 1. Select the cell with lowest transportation cost among all the rows and columns of the transportation table. If minimum cost is not unique, then select arbitrarily any cell with the lowest cost. Step 2. Allocate as many as unit as possible to the cell determined in step 1 and eliminate that row in which either capacity or requirements is exhausted. Step 3. Adjust the capacity and requirements for next allocations. Step 4. Repeat the step 1 to 3 for reduce the table until the entire capacity is exhausted to fill the requirements at the different destinations. Some minimization using least cost of method. You can go through that tables. Warehouse, plant. Step 1. This problem is balance problem. Step 2. Plant 2, warehouse 3 is having a list cost, example 3, so it's allocated 19 units as per the requirements of warehouse 3. In final matrix, demands and supply allocated as per the steps. So hence, total transportation cost is 300. Limitation of operation research. Costly, the first and foremost disadvantages of operation research is its high cost. Technology depends. Another limitations of operations research is its technology dependence. Dependence on experts, unquantifiable factors, difficult to implement. Application of operation research, maximizing the profit, minimizing the loss and risk, efficient utilization and allocation of resources, reduce the cost and time of production, decision making. Thank you.